How to add payment method on Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to add a payment method to your Shopify store so you can start accepting payments from customers right away. It's a simple process, so let's jump right in. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left hand side, click on Settings at the bottom of the sidebar, then click on Payments. This is where you'll manage all your payment gateways and set up new ones. Shopify offers several payment providers. You can use Shopify Payments for direct credit card transactions or choose from other options like PayPal, Stripe, or even manual payments like bank deposits. To add Shopify Payments, click Activate Shopify Payments, then follow the prompts to enter your business and banking information. This will allow you to accept payments directly on your store. If you prefer using PayPal, you can integrate it easily. So scroll down to the PayPal section and click Activate and sign in to your PayPal account to link it to Shopify. PayPal is a popular option for many customers, so it's a good idea to have it enabled. Aside from credit cards and PayPal, Shopify allows you to add other payment options like Google Pay, Apple Pay, or even cryptocurrency payments. So scroll to the alternative payment methods. If you're targeting specific countries, check out local payment options like Ideal for Europe or Afterpay for Australia. If you want to offer manual payment methods like bank transfers, cash on delivery, scroll down to the manual payment methods section and click Create Custom Payment Method. And here you can add instructions for customers on how to complete the payment manually, which can be useful in some regions or industries. Once you've added your payment methods, it's important to test them, so you can use Shopify's test mode to simulate transactions and ensure everything is working correctly. Make a test purchase to confirm that the payment gateway is functioning as expected before going live. And that's how you add a payment method on Shopify. Now your store is ready to accept payments and start making sales. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.